Hi RTI friends and family, Erica here. I have come celebrate Robert Keppert's 2021 custom truck. It's a 2021 Freightliner Cascadia in the color, I believe is it Twilight Metallic Plum. All right, so we're gonna do like a little tour. He did not want to be on camera, but he said have at it. So we'll do a little sweep around. If you can hear me, go ahead and give us a like so that I know that this is working. I don't know if the wind is too much for you to hear me well or not. But let's do a little tour inside. This is the inside of a 2021 Freightliner Cascadia. Thank you for the likes. I see them. And I believe he said that he did not... Hi, Daniel. I believe he said he did not get the table option inside. So, a lot of space. Honestly, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to see... Oh my gosh, I can stand up! Look! I'm 5'4.5". Lots of space. Thank you, Sarah. Okay, good. It's working. It's working. So... like I said, this is the inside of a 2021 Freightliner Cascadia, Robert Keppert's brand new custom truck. I believe he said he has been with the company since January of 2018. He runs our AMR dedicated fleet and definitely putting in the miles for the company. That's for sure. But yeah, I just wanted to come on, show you this beautiful truck. This is the only purple truck that is this shade of purple in the entire fleet here at RTI, and we'll just do another quick sweep just because it's so pretty. It's got some silver decals on there. All right, well, I will let you go, but thank you for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope that you have a great day, and I will probably see you soon on live. So, bye.